Hello and welcome! Today we're exploring India's remarkable progress in the IT sector since Y2K. India introduced the Information Technology Act in 2000. Since then, India has become a global IT powerhouse, home to some of the world's leading tech companies. Join us as we celebrate India's IT achievements and its impact on the global stage. Let's start with data protection. The EU has the GDPR, Fort Knox of data protection. India? The IT Act is evolving to address data protection. Recent initiatives show India's commitment to improving data protection. However, the absence of a comprehensive data protection law is still a concern. India is working towards a GDPR-style law, and it's crucial for the future. Speaking of cybercrime, it's a growing concern worldwide, affecting individuals, businesses, and governments alike. Let's talk about how India is evolving its definition. The country's approach is undergoing significant updates. The IT Act initially covered the basics: hacking, cyber terrorism, and data theft. These were critical issues, but they only scratched the surface. Today, cybercrime is more sophisticated. We're talking about advanced, persistent threats, ransomware, and phishing scams that are constantly evolving. India is taking steps to update its laws, incorporating more comprehensive definitions and modern threats. The Budapest Convention on Cybercrime offers a robust framework and encourages international cooperation. This is crucial for tackling cybercrime on a global scale. By updating its definitions and laws, India is positioning itself to better protect its citizens and contribute to global cybersecurity efforts. Imagine a cybercriminal in Estonia, sitting in a dimly lit room, typing away on a keyboard. This hacker is targeting a bank in Mumbai, thousands of miles away. The question arises, who prosecutes this crime? According to the IT Act, India has the jurisdiction to prosecute if there's an Indian connection to the crime. However, the internet is a global network that doesn't recognize national borders, making enforcement tricky. The Council of Europe has established a cybercrime convention to facilitate international cooperation. But what about India? Indian authorities are making significant strides in tackling cybercrime with several successful investigations under their belt. Through dedicated cybercrime units and advanced tracking techniques, they have managed to apprehend numerous cybercriminals. These efforts highlight India's commitment to combating cybercrime and ensuring justice is served. Privacy, an essential right that many of us take for granted in the digital age. India recognized the right to privacy in 2017, marking a significant step forward in protecting individual freedoms. However, it's only partially integrated into the IT Act, like privacy breadcrumbs scattered on a data mining cake, leaving much to be desired. India has taken steps to address these gaps, with ongoing discussions and protests pushing for stronger digital privacy laws. Meanwhile, the US and EU have developed robust privacy protection frameworks, setting a high standard for digital rights. India is gradually moving towards comprehensive privacy protection, aiming to ensure that citizens' data is genuinely safeguarded. The journey is ongoing, but the commitment to digital privacy is becoming more evident, promising a more secure digital future for all. So, a cybercrime happens in India. Who are you gonna call? Cert-in and adjudicating officers. They're like the traffic police of the internet, dedicated and diligent, but often overwhelmed. Globally, independent data protection authorities are like cyber police SWAT teams. India's enforcement mechanisms are more like a neighborhood watch program. It's time for India to give their dedicated cyber watchdogs more resources, and maybe a big pot of coffee. Let's talk about cybersecurity standards. The US has the NIST framework, the EU has its NIS directive, and Singapore has its Cybersecurity Act. India is taking a proactive approach with comprehensive guidelines and numerous initiatives to ensure safety. India is working towards mandating serious cybersecurity protocols because good intentions are being backed by strong actions. So, there you have it. India's IT Act, evolving to meet modern cyber challenges. India is updating its legislation, adopting global standards, and empowering its cyber enforcers. With these advancements, India is becoming a formidable force against cybercriminals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's support India's journey into a secure cyber future.